Today we are here in Palo Verde Wetlands. We're going on an adventure and we're taking you guys with us. Palo Verde Wetlands. Your trip in Costa Rica is not complete if you have not explored Palo Verde National Park, a place that encompasses a rich mosaic of over 15 different natural communities and renowned for its rich animal biodiversity. While the exact number of animal species varies, estimates suggest that over 280 species of birds can be found there. Additionally, the park is also home to about 75 mammal species and 55 reptiles and amphibian species. The nearly 145 kilometers long Tempisque River starts in the Guanacaste mountain range between the Orosi and Rincon de la Vieja volcanoes and empties into the Gulf of Nicoya, making it the third longest river in Costa Rica. As we entered the park during our drive to the entrance of the river, we were greeted with the sounds of wild macaws everywhere. And when we arrived to where the land meets the river, our guide greeted us and took us on board our boat, and we began cruising down the Tempisque River. About 2 minutes after leaving the dock, crocodiles started emerging right next to our boat, so I definitely recommend keeping your body parts in the boat at all times. As we cruised down the never-ending river, animals started appearing one after another, and the entire ecosystem of the river sprang to life. After cruising through the river for about 2 hours, we returned to our van and our guide took us to a local family's village in Guaitil by the riverbed. These families have lived all their lives generation after generation, and they invited us to join them as they whipped up one of the most hearty traditional meals handpicked from their natural garden. When we finished our lunch, they sat us down and started showing us how they made a living here. It is believed that the Chorotegan indigenous people of Guaitil have used pottery as a way to connect with their ancestors, express their cultural identity, and share their history for centuries. And so, we got to witness firsthand how they crafted all their potteries that we saw displayed all over their house when we entered. This whole experience in Palo Verde gave us a whole new perspective to a side of Costa Rica that the tourism industry doesn't show too often. It brought us to a place still so raw and untouched in a country that bustles with tourism, a true hidden gem that portrays perfectly what Costa Rica was in the early days.